Class 9 Polynomial, page number 41. Example 9. Check whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. This is the question. This is polynomial. This x minus 2 is a factor or not. Now we check it. To check whether the linear polynomial x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial, replace x by the 0 of x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. Now this is the question. P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. In this x place, we can write it 2. P of x replace P of 2 is equal to, in this x place write 2. So 2 power cube, x cube 2 power cube minus 2 into x square, 2 into x plus 2 whole square, 2 square minus 5 into x is 2. Then 5 into 2 plus 4. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That value is 8 minus 2 into 2 power 2 square is equal to 4. 2 into 4 minus 10 plus 4. 8 minus 2 4s are 8. Then minus 10 plus 4. Plus 8 and minus 8 both are cancelled. Then remaining, what are the remaining? Minus 10 plus 4. 10, 4 opposite symbols, having opposite symbols. Then minus 10 plus 4. Subtract. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. The big number has minus symbol, so apply the minus symbol. As the remainder is not equal to 0, the polynomial x minus 2 is not a factor of the given polynomial. So, in this polynomial, the remainder is minus 6. Minus 6 is not equal to 0. So, x minus 2 is not factor of the x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 4. Thank you.